Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the future with 10 brand new home automation ideas that'll make your jaw drop. These aren't just cool gadgets. They're game changers that'll revolutionize your daily life. Let's get started. Number 1, AI-powered personal chef. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal, tailored to your preferences and nutritional needs. Meet the AI chef, a robotic kitchen assistant that plans, preps, and cooks your meals. It learns your tastes, adapts recipes, and even orders groceries. Say goodbye to meal planning stress. Number 2, mood-responsive lighting and sound your home. Now understands your emotions. Using facial recognition and voice analysis, this system adjusts lighting color, intensity, and background music to match or improve your mood. Feeling stressed? Watch your environment shift to create a calming atmosphere. Number 3, smart wardrobe organizer. No more nothing to wear mornings. This AI-driven wardrobe suggests outfits based on your schedule, the weather, and your style preferences. It even tracks laundry cycles and reminds you when it's time to donate rarely worn items. Number 4, holographic home office. Working from home gets an upgrade with this holographic setup. Attend meetings as if you're really there, manipulate 3D models in thin air, and enjoy an immersive work experience without leaving your house. Number 5, predictive home maintenance. Say goodbye to unexpected breakdowns. This system uses sensors throughout your home to predict when appliances or systems need maintenance. It schedules repairs before problems occur, saving you time and money. Number 6, personalized sleep environment. Your bedroom now optimizes itself for perfect sleep. It adjusts temperature, humidity, white noise, and even mattress firmness throughout the night, reacting to your sleep patterns for the most restful experience possible. Number 7, virtual interior designer. Can't decide on a new look for your living room? This AR system lets you visualize different designs in real time. Swap furniture, change colors, and redesign your space with a wave of your hand. Number 8, smart home fragrance system. Your home now smells exactly how you want, when you want. This system releases custom scent combinations based on time of day, your mood, or upcoming events. Expecting guests? Set the perfect welcoming aroma. Number 9, Eco Optimization Hub. This central system continuously monitors and adjusts your home's energy use, water consumption, and waste management. It suggests improvements, automates recycling, and even helps you contribute to local sustainability efforts. Number 10, secure drone delivery port. The future of package delivery is here. This secure landing pad on your property allows drones to deliver packages safely and efficiently, notifying you instantly and keeping your items secure until you retrieve them. There you have it, 10 cutting-edge home automation ideas that are set to transform our daily lives. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you'd love to have in your home. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is now, and it starts at home. See you in the next video.